Going on, y'all? What the hell, horns? What's going on, y'all? Welcome to another video. Got another simple thing gonna do for the Beamer. Got some roundel emblems, roundel emblems for the Beamer. I want to get rid of the blue since I'm doing like white, black, carbon, and like gold accents. Want to get rid of that blue on the logos, at least on the outside of the car. I'll mess with the steering wheel and stuff like that in the future. But yep, this is what I'm doing today. Saw a video, looked pretty damn simple. So let's get it. That's gonna be a horrible transition. I'm not transitioning that. All right, old emblem, new emblem. Got this off of Beamer plug. Hey, stop. Got this off of Beamer plug. Looks like adhesive. Put it on here. I'm not gonna lie, I hope I put this on not crooked, but we'll see. Literally, I'm assuming just take off the adhesive, put it on this. Has the little, you know, things. I think when you take this off, it has like grommets or whatever that you would put those on through. But we shall see. I'm gonna line this up first. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Up in it. Done with me. Okay. Yeah, look at that head. Threw this on. Looks like it's pretty accurate. Hopefully, we'll see. But the video I seen, dude used this little packaging like thingy and filed it kind of through somewhere on the bottom or somewhere in the album. But tried to do that, he literally just stuck it through it and pulled it out. So see if that works. And just took it off. Also cleaned this part. I've seen things where people took off the old grommets and put new ones in. I don't have any, so I'm hoping I can just reuse them. But yeah, clean the surface. Seen the video, dude was able to just stick this right through and under, but I was having difficulty, so I literally just put my fingers under and then took it off, and that worked. I haven't done the front yet, the hood, but this is gonna be able to be helpful for the hood, so I'll do that right after. And let's see. Hopefully I could just toss this right on. Oh no. Let me get 2 hands. All right. Looks like they're both lined up. Just gonna push it. That's pretty solid, actually. That was really easy. Looks pretty good. Probably switch these for some smoke tail lights. Take away the red. That's pretty solid. Time for the front. That's what I'm doing. I think these front ones have adhesive. Put this through. Use this so you don't scratch up your paint, and try to get under that. You hear that? That's interesting. I didn't think it would look like that. That's a little problem. Figure it out. Alright, y'all. Finished up. Didn't show what I did, but I'll explain what I did. Watching the Niner game right now. Cool. My sister's car. And then got this one on. all I did for this one was the two parts that were like protruding out, I just cut them off, shaved it down a little bit, and then I just used 3M tape to put it, to make sure it's on. And honestly pretty snug. If this ever for some reason were to ever come off, I'll just buy the female what do they call it, the female roundel to make it work for this, but should be fine. Pretty solid. Kind of ties it in better now with the yellow V-brace, now that that's black instead of blue. But yeah, pretty simple. Makes a difference. Catch y'all next time. Deuces.